Here I am today again to teach you how to record on Cubase. If you are first time on Cubase, I'm going to put you through how you're going to do it today, how to do your first recording. And my name remains Adeyemi Emmanuel from Nigeria. Please subscribe and let's go through it together. At the end of today, you will be recording your first song or voiceover on Cubase today. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll be here to respond to your comment every point in time. So the first thing you do is you click on the icon to open it. So we'll be working with Cubase 5 today, and subsequently we'll be working with higher version so you can enjoy it. So these are the things I've recorded into time past, but because of you, we'll be doing a new project. We'll be starting with new project today. So first thing, you click on new project. Here you don't need to click on anything, because here we'll be talking about where you have to create a folder whereby your everything you record, anything you do here will be saved into, you can easily trace it. That's what we call file management. So when I was learning computer, I was taught about file management. So everything, whenever you're looking for anything on your concerning your Cubase recording or anything you want, once you have a folder, you create a folder for it. You can always go back to the folder at any point in time. Like, okay, I'm looking for music, recorded music. You just know, I copy it, I save it into so folder. I just go straight to the folder and bring it out. So that is folder management or file management. So now let's create a folder in the so how we are doing music. In music, let's create folder in music. This music. So we have a new folder here already, or let's create another folder for your sake. So in music, there is music. You click on new folder, make new folder. So now I make new folder, then I can title it song mine. That's funny. Song mine. Then oh, what? Oh, okay. Song mine or song M, whatever. So I know whatever I recorded. I click OK. Then it brings you here. Here, first thing you do here, before anything, you have to check your audio in. Check if your mic is actually coming in, like sound from your mic, if it's actually coming to your Cubase, if your audio is good. So first thing you do, you go to device. This place is blank. You go to device, and you go to device setup. So in this device setup here, so you see here, you go straight to, you see video player, then you go to this VST audio system. You click on, so look at, so VST audio system, VST audio. So it now depends on the sound card you are using. Some sound card, when you install it, when you have some sound card plugin, so when you go here, and don't forget to mark this. So sound card, don't forget to mark this. And you mark this, so you can bring all sound card here up here for you. So when you click here, so if your sound card has driver or you have a particular sound card you use, so it's going to list it here. So you pick the particular sound card, just click on it, then you switch. But for me, I'm using V8. I'm using V8 sound card. So let's go to, so V8 sound card, the driver doesn't show here, but VA soundcard work directly with FS Studio issue. So let's click FS Studio issue, then I switch, and you apply. After applying, then you go to OK. Now let's check again. Let's check here. Still not there yet, but when I want to record this here. But to confirm now, you can see the audio is coming in. Look at the audio is coming in here. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, let's sync. So the audio is coming in here already. So from here right now, then we can now add a track. So here is add audio track. So before audio track, let's go back to device again. Then you click on VST connections, F4. So here the input is supposed to come in mono, which is mostly preferable because you'll be able to manipulate, edit, do whatever you want to do with mono. Now, although some people record with stereo, but for easy manipulation, easy touch and effect, it's always good when you record on mono. So what you do first is to delete, remove this audio that is there, you right click and remove it. Then you add your own, you add mono. So now depend on how many channels you would like to create, but let's just make it 2. As time goes on, you can be adding additional channel. It's going to be here by itself. So you click OK. You change, if it's on stereo, you can change it to mono here. Change mono, then you click. So now we have 2 mono channel. So this one indicate that this is the one that is presently functioning. This sign here shows that it's the one presently functioning. Then you go to your output. This is input. You go to your output. Outputs can remain stereo. So, or if it's not on stereo before, so let's remove it and add. Let's add it by ourselves. So see, if it's not on stereo, you just go, because it's always good for your output to be stereo. You can see it's mono now. Let's change it to stereo. So left and right. Let's make this 2 also. Then we click OK. So these 2 channels we created, this first channel and second channel for stereo. So we have this. So this one is the functioning one. After this, just close. So when you close, then you go, just open here. You right click, you add audio track. So audio track, as we talk about mono, recording on mono, so you go on mono and click OK. So here right now you have your mono, so in which you can record. So far audio is coming out from here. So now this red indicate that you can record. So when you have to click on this red first. When you click on this red, and if you want to record, there's record up here, which you have to click on also. You click on record. So let's record something. Let's say we're recording. Okay, let me record a song. Yeah, and see this has changed to red. So changing to red shows that it's recording also. And you can see the wave. You can see the wave. Let me expand it so you can see the wave more. Let me expand it so that you can see the wave. So let's go back now. Let's have a record. Let's record. Now let's record. Okay. So we have it here. So now let's record now. See. Oh, 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 So you have this already. So what we'll do now is let's play it back. If you want to play back, you can click on this, or you can easily move. Just put your cursor here and click. If you go back, for getting it back to the end, and just click this, it's completely back. So for this sake right now, let us play what we've recorded and see what happened. So you can see that. Okay, so you have just recorded your first audio on Cubase. So now what you do, that you need to name your track. So first of all, you name the project. You have to name the project. You go to save as and click on save as. You can see it brought you straight to this folder we created that time. So it has created audio, created image. So this folder we created from the beginning, then you can name the song here is oh, oh, no, let me oh, so then I save. So now we have our song as oh. So anytime you need that song oh, you can easily go there and get it. So and you can also create another audio track. So mono, depend on how many singers, how many instruments you want to plug in, how many things you want to connect. So here now, so you can see the red is normal. If you click, if you allow this red to remain here, so when you are recording, it's still going to record on this same track and record on this track. So it's where this red is showing that it will be recording on. So remove this. And in some cases whereby you don't want to hear what the first track is saying, you just click on M, which is mute. So now if you are playing this now, it will not show. You will not hear it here rather. So if you want to record there now, you can record there. This show that this one is clicked. Is where you click that this red will show, and also return to white background, so color, whatever color you call it. So here we click here, so this red is here now. You can record tracks like guitar, keyboard, or whatever I want to record here. Then I can record. Now let's stop it. Okay, you have that is funny. So with this now, so you can add as many tracks as possible. So you just record and make sure you save at every point in time. You always save songs for other use. So let's just hear what I've done now. Let's record now. You can see the audio is jamming, so let me mute one. Let me mute this. So you can see we are not hearing that now. So if I unmute it and mute this, you can see. So with this, that shows you've just recorded your first audio and you are good to go. So you can record as long as you want, as much as you want, and also you can bring in audio to join this station. You can import audio. You can import recorded audio. Let's add that track. So another mono track. So now let's take this one back, and this one is showing here. So let's take this one back. I want to import recorded beat. So maybe you made beat from another platform, from FL Studio or anywhere you want to import it. Or you just go to import from audio file, import audio file. So let's say I want to import a song. Let's say let me import this. So there's a beat. Okay, now click open. It's going to ask me this question, and import option, praise and worship, and you say okay, and it's going to import it here on this track. You can see it's showing recording, showing click, so it's going to bring that beat on this track. So you can see now we have it here. It's going to process, it's processing, and you can see. So as it is right now, so as the beat is going, I decide to record on this. So I just decided to record on this track. What I'll just do as it's going, I'll just click on this. Mo mọ̀ pé mi wá o, bàbá wa gbọ́ pẹ́. Mo mọ̀ pé mi wá o, ọmọ wa gbọ́ pẹ́. Ẹ̀mí mímọ́ gbọ́ pẹ́ mi, mo fi yìn fún mẹ́ta lọ́kan. Mo mọ̀ pé mi wá o, bàbá wa gbọ́ pẹ́. Mo mọ̀ pé mi wá o, ọmọ wa gbọ́ pẹ́. Ẹ̀mí mímọ́ gbọ́ pẹ́ mi, mo fi yìn fún mẹ́ta lọ́kan. Praise the Lord, alleluia. Lift him higher, alleluia. Alleluia. Ẹ̀yin Olúwa lógo, alleluia. So with that, you can see you can just do anything and you record your audio as you wish, and with that you are good. So, and don't forget to save, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that we can bring more to you. My name still remains Adeyemi Emmanuel. With this, you have just recorded your first audio on Cubase, and I will be doing more. Subscribe, share, like, comment, tell people about it. Love you.